Stem cell treatment restores vision in early human trials. Millions of people suffer from age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss. The condition blurs central vision, making everyday tasks like reading or recognizing faces difficult. Unlike treatments that merely slow progression, a recent clinical trial suggests a novel stem cell therapy may actually reverse damage caused by dry AMD, the most common form of the disease. The breakthrough, transplanted stem cells restore sight. Researchers conducted a phase 1/2A trial involving 6 patients aged 71-86 diagnosed with dry AMD. The treatment involved surgically transplanting stem cells under the retina to replace damaged retinal pigment epithelial, RPE, cells, the support structure for light-sensitive tissues. These cells were sourced from an eye bank and administered in a low dose of 50,000 per patient. The results were striking. All participants showed vision improvement in the treated eye, with some of the most severely affected patients gaining an average of 21 letters on an eye chart within 1 year. Notably, no serious adverse effects, like tumors or immune reactions, were observed, meaning the treatment appears safe. Why this matters? AMD and current limitations. AMD affects central vision, the part you use to focus directly ahead. The dry form is caused by gradual RPE cell death, unlike the faster-acting, wet form. Current therapies can slow progression, but don't repair existing damage. This new approach directly addresses the root cause of vision loss by replacing the damaged cells. The fact that this is the first human trial for this particular stem cell treatment is significant because it demonstrates the potential for regenerative medicine in a condition previously considered incurable. What's next? Scaling up for widespread impact, the team is now testing higher doses, 150,000 and 250,000 cells, to determine optimal treatment levels. If those doses prove safe, larger trials will follow. The initial results are encouraging enough that researchers are moving forward with phase 3 trials, which will compare the stem cell treatment to existing therapies. We were surprised by the magnitude of vision gain, says Dr. Rajesh Rao of Michigan Medicine. This level of vision gain has not been seen in this group of patients with advanced dry AMD. Ultimately, if confirmed in larger studies, this therapy could offer a lasting solution for millions living with debilitating vision loss.